2024 Mustang versus Tunnel.
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. Where are we? We are here in California with a 2024 Mustang, and yes, we finally get to drive it. We're here at the Media Drive with Ford. We're gonna do a walk around of the whole presentation and then show you some of the cars, all the colors, all their specs. It's gonna be a lot of fun content. Let's go. All right, so as you can see here, they have it all set up. They have a beautiful rapid, no, actually it's a race red GT, my bad, and it's a performance pack setup. You can see it has the Night Pony package. This is the spec I think you should get if you're getting a 24 Mustang. It's gorgeous. That Vapor Blue is growing on me, guys. Whew. Looks really good. First mod I'm definitely gonna do is get some bigger wheels. These brake Brembos are 6 piston in the front, 4 in the back, and remember, you can get these paint colored from the factory. First time from Ford. Check that out. And here's a new Eco Boost motor, 315 horsepower, 350 foot-pounds of torque. All new. 4th gen Eco Boost. So very similar to a performance pack wheel from S450, but kind of coated in this silver. Then of course you have, this is like the performance pack wheel. You can see it there in like a matte. And then here's the coup de grace, 4th gen 5.0, 480 or 486 horsepower if you get the active exhaust with the infamous now new dual intake and dual throttle body. And of course in Dark Horse is 500 horsepower. You can see there's the Grabber Blue. And then they have the Atlas Blue coming in. And you can see that in the light here. Oh, sorry. Look how it looks in the sunlight. They're gonna line up all the Mustangs here. You'll be able to take them, but this Grabber Blue, you got the shot here, you can see it better. Woo. Is it open? Okay. So let's take a look inside. Ten-speed, probably 418 package. The seats have this new kind of like rivets with the white. It looks good. You can see this one does not have the drift brake. It has like just a regular button for the brake. So this is not a performance pack. I think Grabber Blue is calling me aggressively. This will probably be our like before the embargo ends video to showcase you a walk around, the non-driving impressions video, so you know I don't get in trouble. But again, I really appreciate Ford for inviting me out, and of course I wouldn't be able to do this obviously without your support. So please hit that like button and comment below what you want me to do, what you want to see, and I'll definitely do it for you. Appreciate the support. So much 24 Mustang content coming out, and of course our personal one, it's coming soon. And of course, you know, we have Dark Horse content too. So good stuff, good times. Appreciate the support. Just some housekeeping real quick. The T2500 giveaway announcement is Friday. Good luck to everybody. And our next giveaway, not open or not live yet, but sign up for email and text alerts so you know when that goes, because that's going to be our fastest giveaway ever for that 69 Mach 1. All right, you guys, end the video with some fun stuff, non-driving impressions of the 24. Enjoy. Look at that here, guys. This is the Atlas Blue, and it just looks incredible. The Atlas Blue versus the Grabber Blue. How good that looks. We have some Ford employees coming up here. How you doing? No, I'm just kidding. Professional driving. What's up? We have Throttle House in the house. By controversial, what is throttle have to say about it?
I won't say whether stuck on screens are good or bad, because they have their moments, but the actual software I thought was excellent.
Yeah.
And the black levels and the
graphics were fun,
so fun,
incredible.
I was just spinning the Mustang around like, and you said the stoplight, you just spin it around, and no, it was interesting with the sunlight. It didn't wash out.
No,
so
it was good.
There's
it didn't. Yeah, it was very bright.
And we had the cloth seats, and they were really comfortable.
Oh, listen, they gave Throttle House the cloth. This you should have hit me up. I would have give you the good stuff.
We got the rental spec.
Oh man,
yeah. We barely get invited to these things.
Man, get out of here. Humble pie.
We smack talk too much.
Listen, you guys. I don't know if you heard of this small channel called Throttle House, but you gotta check them out and subscribe to them because they're growing very little by little, but they're gonna get there one day.
We're gonna get there.
Hey man, appreciate you guys. Check them out.
Lovely to hang out with you.
Always humbling to see people that you watch every day out here. So they're gonna have their content, they're doing their thing, but again, we're gonna just keep walking around here showcasing you the 24 Mustang media event. White, of course. Oxford White with the bronze package, guys. That looks really good. It's gonna be hard to choose. Look at these colors, dude. Atlas blue, grabber blue, yellow splash. I think that's dark ember, and that's vapor blue, rapid red, Oxford white, iconic silver. Love it. Like I said, early bird gets the worm. You get to see all these in the flesh, but just to walk up to show you guys in the light how good these look. Choose your favorite color, I guess. They're vapor blue with the white interior, money. I believe this is I could be wrong. It could be dark ember. I have not seen the dark ember on a regular GT before, but dark ember with the bronze package. White Recaros, stop. And then, bro, you got the yellow splash performance pack with the Night Pony package. You got the grabber blue, Atlas blue. It's all here. Crazy. So, dude, I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't know which one to get. They're all here, but this is just 24 Mustang, S650 Mustang heaven. And I hope you guys can actually see for yourself who are maybe ordered something or about to buy something exactly what color you ordered or what you want to order. They look like in the light. So my two that I'm a fan of are probably going to be these two. They're just exotic. They pop out. Grabber blue or the yellow splash. Gonna probably do grabber blue. I never did a grabber blue Mustang before, and I think this is kind of calling me. But you just can't go wrong with any one of them. This right here, if I had to do like a mature, like just clean build, I just love this bronze package, would probably be this spec. Got the bronze pony. Look at this, the bronze 5.0. Take a look at that. Wow. And what's crazy about this, white interior, stop, with the red. Guys, this spec is just unbelievable. Unbelievable, this spec. And I'm telling you right now, look at this. I think this is. Let me just confirm. Oh, this is dark matter gray. See, this is how stupid I am. Okay, dark matter gray. This is dark matter gray. Wow. What's up? We got the man, the myth, the legend here. Ratty's Rising.
Hey, there you go, man. You're being surrounded. You're being surrounded.
Listen, man, I appreciate it. What's up, sir? How you doing, man?
Relevant out here, you know?
Aren't we all?
What's going on?
You know this guy, the OG.
Man, I tell you what, just trying to keep up with you guys.
Dude,
anymore.
listen, man. I'm just humbled to be out here with you guys.
I agree.
What do you think of all these colors, man?
I love it, man. You
I know you're an Oxford white guy. We all know that. We all know.
You know what I'm looking at. Not necessarily
We all know.
convertible, but I love it. I'm not a big yellow guy. It looks really good on the S.
Dude, that's what I was saying.
Right? I think it looks good. You
I
want
was
the bronze
like,
package
yo.
on that? I really like the navy color over there.
Yeah, it's it all looks good, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I really think, you know what's really calling me? I haven't seen a dark matter gray before. I kept calling it dark ember, but that looks good. That's a bronze package with the white interior and red seat belts.
Yeah, no, I
was
love
like,
it, man.
bro.
I mean, listen, I think this car shows off a brighter color better.
Yeah.
So hence my Oxford white love over there. But even still, the yellow, like I would never drive Big Bird stuff, but that's fresh. I could get down with that.
All right. Well,
here's my baby right here.
uh-oh.
There it is.
Yeah, it's just so cute. It just so, and it has the bronze package too.
Yeah, it's sharp.
So,
I mean, white and bronze, you really can't miss.
yeah.
I mean, it sounds
Yeah,
healthy too,
dude. I can say, I'm not getting in trouble for this. It's in my opinion the best sounding Coyote from the factory ever. It's
Certainly
so
the best sounding stock
yeah,
exhaust,
it's
right?
so throaty, and you're gonna love to hear it on the mountain roads.
Yeah,
so,
I heard your tunnel video yesterday.
dude. Listen, but I don't know who was that. I happened to catch someone driving, and we just got a clip of it. But no, it's
awesome.
crazy. So which one you taking out?
I have no idea. We just had breakfast, or having breakfast, and we have I think a little presentation, and then after that we get assigned. So I would love to get into an MT82 car just to see what, if any changes from last year. But
Okay.
I don't know. Any
Okay.
recommendations since you've been out here beating these things?
Well, you know what I would say. In my opinion, my favorite was probably that yellow one.
Okay.
That's a 10-speed, but that's
Okay.
got every option you can get.
Gotcha.
And
All right.
that thing on these mountains, I'm not gonna spoil anything, but you're gonna enjoy that.
All right.
But
Appreciate it.
all right, man. I'll let you
Good
do your
seeing you,
thing.
brother.
Yeah, always a
As
pleasure,
always,
dude.
always.
If you guys don't know, American Muscle was the first company to ever sponsor me. So it is, And then you introduced EcoBoost
Dude.
6 years ago.
I'll never forget.
Yeah,
man.
6 years ago you introduced
It's been
EcoBoost.
6 years already.
Yeah, time is, dude. We were at the 20 GT500 reveal in
Yeah,
Detroit, and now
right.
listen.
The history, bro.
Yo,
The
our daughters are
history.
getting taller.
Seriously, she'll be
my
driving one of these
dude.
soon enough.
She has to take over the channel. I can't do this no more. All right, bro.
Good seeing
Appreciate you.
man.
Yeah.
Stay
Safe
good,
travels on
man.
the way home.
All
Yeah.
right, be safe, bro.
So you got the big YouTubers are here. I just saw Ratty's Rides, American Muscle, of course Throttle House, but everybody's here, guys. Oh, so fun. This is like, okay, I'll be real. This is like Disneyland. Look at it. Got California mountains, driving these cars. Oh. Hey guys, it was just really humbling to showcase to you and to be out here with a 24 Mustang media drives, and just thank you. Would not be here without you and your support. Would not be here without all of your suggestions, critiques, and it's just humbling because these opportunities don't come, and it just to be here to share this with you means a lot to me. So just thankful, humbled, and honored, and just get ready. There's going to be a lot of fun content coming up. But for now, I promise you, we're going to showcase you some non-embargoed content, because the driving content is embargoed, I think, till Monday the 25th or 24th, and then 25th. But I'll have plenty of stuff for you guys to watch. All right, you guys, please support, because it never ends.
I thought you were on the first week because I saw your pictures.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, shit, I missed them, because I hadn't met
Oh,
you yet.
listen. Every time I've had a chance to see you from a distance, and we're
Sure.
like working, and I don't want to bother you, so
Oh, man, no
hey.
problem, man.
Hey guys, you know who we're here with.
Ready to ride, yep.
Can't wait to hear his zonks, though.
Yeah.
I want to see those zonks.
Well, it's great to finally meet Stangmode
Listen,
after all these years.
Listen, honored. This guy,
And following your whole
this-
journey with the Mustang.
When I saw Ratty, I said, listen, this guy sets the bar, but keeps raising it and I appreciate them. Yo, you killing
We
it.
can't do it without you. We can't
Million
do it without
subs.
everybody's support. Yeah, we just
hit a million subs.
subscribers. So yeah, it's been
Dude,
one heck of a journey.
This guy.
Can't do it without everybody though.
This guy makes me want to watch like a Kia Sportage review. I'm a Mustang guy, and I'm like, oh, I gotta see what the new Kia Sportage is about.
Yeah. See what the zonks are. Where we
guy.
can put the Twinkies. That's for
Dude,
sure.
dude, honored,
Awesome,
humbled.
man. Well, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
I appreciate this
You
guy.
guys
Check
have
him
a
out.
great
Listen,
stand.
he needs help. Go subscribe to him. He wants to get like 2 million
Oh,
by next month. All right, so we appreciate it, dude.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
I appreciate
and thank you,
everybody.
his lovely wife over there too,
Yes,
you guys.
Lauren,
You know.
yes,
She's a real hard worker.
She is. She makes it happen.
All right, enjoy, guys. Safe travels. So, pretty cool, you know. Ratty's rides. But just I'm like, listen, I'm real chill. I'm a little geeking out because just like everybody who watches, we all watch YouTube. And it's cool to see a lot of people that I watch. All right, let me stop geeking out. A lot of fun and just a lot of good times. Okay, I know you guys waited. I know you anticipated, but let's go see some car content of them doing stuff, and then we will showcase to you the driving videos when they're not embargoed coming up. All right. Peace. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Today's the day we're going to be actually testing in the real world this 2024 beautiful yellow splash metallic Mustang for you. Woo! So excited. We're going to look at fun features like remote rev and yes, even 0 to 60 in the real world.